Hey, what is up, everybody? Sorry, I can't.
V-Bucks here.
Hey, V-Sauce. What do you do for your intros?
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video.
Wow, you're cliche.
Pretty much.
Alright. Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Tako. So, let's get right into it.
And you just messed up really bad. Dude, after this I have to show you my Minecraft snipe.
Okay.
It's a sickness though, dude.
To get off that darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
Select here, dude. Yes. Alright. Alright, so the Tako is a mono-metal. Wow, that was really cringe. That was really, really cringe.
Dude, if you have cringe, it makes your videos good, I think. That's what I've been told from myself.
Okay. Okay. So YouTube, the Tako is a mono metal, and I got the Kato version. I don't know why it's Kato.
What is a mono metal?
It's a single metal, like not
I thought
bi metal.
Mono, I thought it'd be multi. Okay, sorry.
And yeah, Tako makes some really good yo-yos. I just like the Tako. It's really smooth, and we find out later that it grinds beautifully well. Because let's get into throwing this yo-yo down.
There is some Play-Doh in the bottom of this Lego head. You wanna look? Actually, it's nasty.
So I've actually had this yo-yo for almost a year now, and we just haven't gotten around to doing a review on it. So I have been throwing it for quite a while, and it is really nice. It grinds like heaven. So definitely wouldn't compete with it though. Definitely too heavy. Hey Tyler.
I don't know what the specs are on it.
You don't know what the specs are?
I don't.
Can you like put them up like right here?
Dude, like, I actually can. Ready? Oh!
Bam. Alright, perfect. That's gold. Alright, so specs are right there. And you can definitely see that's way too heavy. And it's good for $60, but I just wouldn't compete with it. It's not competition caliber. So, everyone, we will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.